I got the meanest bulldog he'd known for miles around. He protects my woman when I get out of town. Oh, he's vicious, he's a killer, ready to attack. I don't want nobody messing with my baby when I turn my back. I believe she's a one-man woman, and I know he's a one-man hound. So how come my dog don't bark when you come round? He bit the milkman, he bit the mailman, he bit the chief of police. He won't let my kids play in the yard, they gotta play out in the street. Oh, he's crazy, he's intense, oh, you can see it in his eye. You know that dog would jump a grizzly bear and cut him down to size. I believe she's a one-man woman, and I know he's a one-man hound. How come my dog don't bark when you come round? You come here this morning, you sat in my favorite seat. The dog brought you the paper and put my slippers at your feet. It's a puzzle, it's a riddle, I just can't understand. You know that I fed that dog right off of my plate. He turned around and bit my hand. I believe she's a one-man woman, and I know he's a one-man hound. So how come my dog don't bark when you come round? That dog barks at everyone. He barks at his shadow. Now he's barking at me. And I come home and I find the toilet seat up. That's too many crazy things. I mean, we'll go out walking together, you know, her and me, and the neighbors will ask, "Where's your husband?" I'm standing right there. They ask if I'm her cousin. I mean, the one thing that just does it for me, though, this is terrible. I can't handle this. I hate it. I hate it when the kids call me Uncle Daddy.